You're serious about your online business, but the tech stack it takes to run it, not so much. Who says you need 14 different tech services and tools just to run a business online? We're Kajabi, and we're not about to let technology get in the way of your success. That's why we've helped tens of thousands of users find a better way to do business online. So here's an idea. How about everything you need to grow your business, all in the same place? How about your website, products, marketing, emails, automation, community, and more on a single dashboard? How about all of these tools working together because they were built together? That's how online business should be. And we've got your back every step of the way with industry-leading 24/7 live agent support to answer your questions day or night. We know great things happen when technology is on your side instead of in your way. That's how our Kajabi heroes have sold over $1 billion worth of products on our platform to date. And that is just the beginning. So go ahead, be serious about your business, because we are too.